Hey there! I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to share some exciting news with you. I've recently launched my YouTube channel called Sid & Company, and I'm thrilled to be able to offer you the opportunity to earn money online. The best part? You don't need any special skills to get started. All you need is your laptop or even just your phone. If you want to start earning money through this amazing online opportunity, I encourage you to visit Sid & Company on YouTube and subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll be able to access all the valuable content I'll be sharing, including tips, tutorials, and insights on how to maximize your earning potential. Additionally, if you don't want to miss out on any future updates, make sure to hit that follow button on my Instagram handle @IamSeanSid. That way, you'll always be in the loop and won't miss any valuable information. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step towards earning money online by subscribing to Sid & Company on YouTube. I can't wait to help you on your journey to financial freedom.